Always consult your use and care guide and owner's manual for additional information.
It is recommended that you use the charcoal air filter located under the filter cover. To change the air filter, insert fingertips in the air filter cover and pull until the side tabs release. Lift the cover to release the button tabs. Remove the air filter by pulling the top edge of the filter. The filter should pull out easily. Throw away the used filter. To replace air filter, push the replacement filter into place. Insert the bottom tabs of the air filter cover and push in until the side tabs snap into place.